Hi everyone, welcome to Next Gen Mastery, your guide to the world of future professions and cutting-edge technology. We help you adapt to the fast-changing job market and learn the skills that will keep you in demand in the future. On our channel, you'll find educational videos on new professions and technologies that are shaping the job market. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe and keep up with our updates. Today, we're going to talk about how Chat GPT can help your business. Whether you're an entrepreneur, small business owner, or working professional, this tool can become a valuable assistant, helping you optimize tasks and boost your productivity. In this video, I'll explain how Chat GPT can be beneficial for businesses, what tasks it can automate, and how you can start using it in your daily operations. So, how can Chat GPT be used in business? This tool has a wide range of capabilities. Let's go through some of the key ways it can help. Customer support and automating conversations. Chat GPT can be used to automate customer interactions on websites or social media. It can handle typical queries, assist with customer support, and even direct inquiries to the right department, saving you time and resources. Content creation. If your business relies on marketing or content creation, Chat GPT can help generate ideas for blog posts, social media updates, ad campaigns, and even video scripts. It can also draft texts, which you can then fine-tune, cutting down the time spent on content development. Data analysis and reporting. Chat GPT can quickly process large volumes of data, analyze it, and present you with summaries and insights. For example, if you need to analyze the results of a marketing campaign, GPT can provide concise and accurate reports. Decision-making assistance. Chat GPT can offer recommendations on business strategies, analyze industry trends, and give you advice on improving your processes or products. It can even help you better understand your target audience. Let's look at some real-world examples of how businesses are already using GPT. E-commerce. In online stores, Chat GPT helps customers find products, answer questions about shipping, and manage orders in real time. This reduces the workload for customer service teams and speeds up response times. Marketers use Chat GPT to automate content creation, from social media posts to product descriptions. This accelerates the content creation process while keeping things creative and engaging. Consulting and professional services. Consulting firms are using GPT to prepare reports, analyze data, and create presentations, allowing them to focus more on strategic tasks. Now you might be wondering, how do I start using Chat GPT in my business? It's actually quite simple. Here are a few steps to get started. Identify the tasks you want to automate, whether it's customer support, content creation, or data analysis. Choose a platform or API that offers Chat GPT integration. You can use ready-made solutions or set up your own system with the OpenAI API. Test and customize. Chat GPT can be tailored to meet your specific needs. The more you use it, the better it gets at understanding your unique requests. To help you better understand and implement Chat GPT in your business, we've created a special book and course. This guide will walk you through step-by-step instructions, tips for integrating GPT into your processes, and real-life examples to help you use this tool as efficiently as possible. You can find the link to the book in the description below. Don't miss the chance to learn new technologies and boost your business productivity. We're living in a time of technological revolution. Artificial intelligence and automation are already transforming businesses. And if you want to stay ahead, it's important to start using these tools now. Chat GPT is just the beginning. Technology is evolving rapidly, and soon it will be a core part of every company. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to learn more about how to prepare for the future, which technologies will be trending, and how to use them in your work. Join our community and subscribe. Together, we'll conquer the future. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next releases. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.